Hrithik Roshan is supposed to be the inspiration for all youngsters, the way he's maintained his body, his looks, everything, you know, his entire struggle from being a stutterer and who could not talk to being such a fine actor with his performance in Guzarish and everything. Unfortunately, Hrithik has been having health problems, चाहे वो rash हो or probably a reaction to antibiotics or other problems. Do you see him going through other health issues in the future, or this is it? It was just a passing phase?
Hrithik is too harsh upon himself and judges himself far too much.
Here's your Greek god, look-alike, sexy hunk, who's obsessed with fitness. And yet, ironically, उन्हें अगर होती है mild सी भी skin rash, तो बन जाता है जल्द ही मामला serious. And he ends up in hospital for the same. कभी करती है उनकी body normal antibiotic से भी seriously react, तो कभी होता है उन्हें chest pain, जो उनके fans को ही दे देता है heart attack. आखिर क्यों है Hrithik जैसे healthy hunk so prone to ending up in hospital time and again?
Hrithik seems to be moving towards heart problems and muscular problems in the coming years. Say about 8 to 10 years from now, he needs to take care, but he needs to take care of it from now on. Because the problem with him is that he is very hard upon himself. Hrithik हमेशा अपने आप को जज करते रहते हैं. वो हमेशा अगर जैसे गुजारिश का failure हुआ था, तो he took it seriously upon himself कि what have I done wrong to correct myself and give the audience something better. Hrithik is aware कि he has a lot of people whose expectations he has to live up to. और यही चीज़ उनके health के ऊपर affect कर जाती हैं. आगे जाके because of all the stress, Hrithik needs to be careful of one thing, और वो है some kind of addiction. It may be addiction to controlling his life, it may be addiction to any other substance, but he needs to be very careful of that because that can lead to his destruction eventually.
So Karishma, it seems like the cure for Hrithik is to have lots of hits and he'll never be sick.
True.